Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom into the account section. As you can see here, we've got the special Google option, so we can tap on it, and here we can manage the Google account. So here we can remove it and add new one, but let me get back. I would prefer to do it using the accounts and sync. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got our Google account, so let's tap on it, and in order to remove it, just tap on more and click on remove account. Tap on remove account again if you are ready. Tap on OK. We have to, if you have a screen lock or a fingerprint added, then you will have to verify that it is you, so simply do it. Okay, it's not working. And as you can see, our Google account simply disappears. So let me get back. And now in order to add new Google account, simply tap on add account. Choose obviously Google and make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read them if you want, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage, so let's tap on accept. Okay, let's get back. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added Google account. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.